Got a good day coming, and it's all I need. Everything I wanted is in front of me. Stuck it out.
Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Washington Heights Showroom Ribbon Cutting and Blessing.
See, it's a good.
Finally, it's a blessing kasi meron na tayong showroom and we've been waiting for this and we are very much excited na meron na tayong showroom kasi magagamit na namin ngayon and mas mapapadali na yung trabaho namin as salespeople.
I'm very excited to this event. Talagang na-amaze kami kasi yung preparation is ang ganda.
Excited kami kasi mas mapapakita namin yung showroom sa mga kliyente at paniguradong mas marami kaming mabebenta.
This will be a good and of course a very beautiful project here in Cavite.
Very excited po kaming lahat na finally nagkakaroon na po ng physical showroom yung Washington Heights at may feature na po namin sa mga buyer namin ang pinakamagandang unit dito sa Cavite, which is our Washington Heights condominium.
So if you're looking for an investment to reach your financial goals, or if you're finding the right home for your family, hopefully sana makita nyo ang Washington Heights as your next investment or next home.
I was so amazed and I'm so glad that we have not wasted any amount of what we have invested because it really looks good.
Discover Washington Heights in Dasmariñas, Cavite. Strategically located along Emilio Aguinaldo Highway with easy access to everything you need. More than a home, it's a lifestyle where convenience meets tranquility. We invite you to invest in your future. Invest in Washington Heights.